Yeah, I would choose this over that. This is for dark times. Hi, I'm Alvin,
Hi, I'm Chris.
and we're gonna swap some snacks today.
So I'm from Curacao. It's a Dutch Caribbean island right off the coast of Venezuela. Today I'm excited to show Alvin some of my snacks.
I'm Chinese American, but I was born and raised in California. I might not have the most traditional snacks, but I'm also excited to show Chris what I like to eat when I grew up. All right, Chris, let's see what we brought for each other.
Let's do it.
On three?
On three.
1, 2, 3. Whoa, what is that?
This is a cashew nut treat. How does it look to you?
It looks like a pile of like dough. What's this called?
Actually, I want you to try to pronounce
Okay.
it. So it's this right here.
Tenta lyra?
That's actually pretty good.
Okay.
It's called tintalaira.
Oh, see, he has the cool accent. I can't do that. Tenta means to tease, and lyra means above, tease above.
Doesn't make sense. What do you have there?
What do you think this is?
I see there's a bagel there.
So
I'm not sure what that is. Is that chicken nuggets on top of it?
Yeah, so this is a everything bagel with like a little bit of cream cheese and dino nuggets.
Okay.
So this is something I would come home and as a kid you just like want to make stuff taste good.
Right,
And you
right.
don't really care how bad it is for you. So I would eat this after I came home from school.
That's cool, because I brought my snack. It's like a traditional Curacaoan thing, but yours is like your own.
Mine is not traditional by any means. All right, should we swap?
Let's do it.
All right, let's swap. Here you go. Oh, it kind of feels like dough. Like if I made pasta dough and like let it sit out and it dried up too long overnight, that's kind of what it feels like.
What does it taste like?
Kind of like marzipan. And there's like nuts and sugar. It does feel and taste familiar, like nut paste we maybe have in China. So it's good, I like it.
Oh, that's exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and try yours, Alvin. This is your creation, nobody else's.
Yeah,
I like
it is
that.
100% mine.
You know, this reminds me of a nugget bread that I would eat at high
Nugget
school.
bread?
in high
Okay.
school. At the canteen, they would sell nuggets in bread.
Oh, cool.
So this is essentially what it is, without the
Great.
cream cheese. I think that's a good addition.
Great.
It's nice, I like
I'm
that.
glad it's something unorthodox can remind you of something that you grew up with.
Yeah, that's awesome, I like it.
Yeah, well, I can't believe he liked it.
So if you were to name this dish, Alvin, what would it be called?
The Heartburn era. Next snack?
Next snack,
All
let's
right,
do
1,
it.
2, 3.
Reveal.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's cool. Kind of looks like it's like some sort of peanut sugar candy.
Right, that's
Yeah.
essentially what it is.
Okay, cool.
I want you to try to pronounce the
Okay.
name, because that's the most exciting part.
Panseiku?
That's pretty good. It's Panseiku.
Panseiku.
Yeah, pan means bread, which it doesn't make sense again. I don't know what seiku means. And this you can also get it at the market, about $1 or $2.
So is this something that you kind of had growing up?
Actually, no, because this is one of the snacks that I did not like growing up at all.
Oh.
Yeah, so you would get it always at parties too. As a kid, I
Yeah.
didn't think it looked appetizing, so I wouldn't eat it.
Yeah.
Now I think it's kind of cool. Alvin, what do you have here for me? I think this is minty chocolate.
Yeah, so it's Andy's chocolate. It's kind of like these small little green bars. It's like chocolate. In the middle, there's like a mint-ish layer.
Right.
And basically why I brought these is because I grew up eating these without knowing what it was. So I would always look forward to going to Olive Garden because they had these, excitedly eating your pasta and like waiting for the check to come so that you get the little green like chocolates and because they were so good.
Right, so
Yeah.
this was basically like your main entree for it.
Yeah,
as a
like I was
kid.
like, can we go to Olive Garden? Not because I wanted pasta, but because I wanted these chocolates.
I'm excited to try this.
Yeah.
Can I go for it?
Wanna swap?
Let's swap.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, but you see the layers? All right, here we go.
try it.
1, 2. This is good.
Oh, this is good.
It tastes like something my grandpa used to make. In Chinese cooking, some dishes involve boiling peanuts. It's a very specific taste.
That's awesome. It's a good in-between what you identified it as when you saw it, but then
Yeah.
when you tasted it, it's something more nostalgic. That's
How's
really
that?
good. A lot of nostalgia here. today.
Yeah,
that's
unexpected
awesome.
nostalgia from treats I would have never eaten.
That's wonderful. This is great. This is wonderful. I want more.
Yeah,
You
it's
know?
like cleansing. You kind of want to eat more. Next one.
Next one. Let's do it.
All right, snack number 3.
Let's do it. In
1,
2, 3.
Whoa.
Yeah. What does it look like to you?
It looks like a steak. Like I
You know?
can tell If I look closer, there's a lot of sesame, maybe another like sugar base, like candy where you kind of mix it together and you get like nutty and sweet flavors. Does that sound about right?
That is exactly what it is, with some sesame seeds in there as well. This I'm very excited for you to pronounce, Alvin.
It's spelled Z-J-O-Z-J-O-L-I. Jojoli.
Perfect.
No, is that right?
That's exactly Jojoli.
No way! Wow.
Right, you got it right.
Thanks. I'm glad. I was kind of kidding, but all right.
That's it.
I'll have one Jojoli, please.
So I was in Curacao and I was asked, "Oi, are you still in Curacao? Bring some snacks."
Yeah.
So I just shopped some and I brought them here. I'm excited to taste this one too.
Yeah, that's awesome. So have you had this at all?
I have had it, but not recently.
Okay, so it'll be like awesome for you too.
It would be awesome for me too.
Great, I'm excited.
What do you have here, Alvin?
What do you think
This looks like macaroni in there.
Yes.
Is this cilantro?
It's parsley.
Okay. Ground beef?
Yeah, it's Kraft and ground beef. It's weird to say this is a snack, but I would eat this when I come home from school. I was a very large and plump kid, so this was a snack, and I still ate dinner after this.
All right, let's swap.
Nice. All right, Chris, what's the best way to eat this?
You have to cut it first. You're gonna have a hard time doing so, but...
Oh. That's a...
Okay.
Oh man, this is some hard rock. All right. Oh no, the paper towel got stuck. Oh no, Alvin, you're ruining this entire operation.
I wonder what Jojo means now.
That's the sound I'm gonna make when I realize I got this paper stuck. Jojoli. No. All right, I'm gonna try this now. Oh, nice.
What do you say?
It's like sesame seeds and sugar, but both are very toasted. So the sugar is caramelized pretty high. So you get like, not a burnt, but like caramelly, almost like smoky-ish sugar flavor. Kind of sticks to your teeth though, but that's the fun of it. Just like the paper towel. So for this, you kind of gotta mix it up a bit. Cause I would just kind of throw things and as a kid, you just gotta mix it up. So the bowl's kind of full, but you know, you just kind of gotta get in there and I cannot believe I would eat that whole thing as a kid. Oh my God.
No, this is good. I like it. As you said, it's exactly what you think it would taste like. Is this ground beef or ground turkey?
It's ground beef.
Yeah, I'm vegan.
Oh,
Just kidding.
I got scared. I got scared for a second. All right, last snack.
Last snack, let's
All right,
do
here
this.
we go. Ready?
On 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh, cool.
You have some uncured ham there too, with some cream cheese.
Yeah, it's exactly what it is.
That's awesome.
I love how mine is just so obvious and blatant, and yours is like actually cool and interesting.
What is that?
To me, it looks like toffee. Like, cause I love toffee, so like to me, it just looks like chunks of chocolate and toffee and.
Just like the other ones, it's some kind of nut. Can you guess?
Oh, it's a nut.
Yeah.
What kind of nut looks like this? I don't think I've had this nut before. Hope I'm not allergic to it. What is it?
It's coconut, actually.
Oh, come on, that doesn't count as a nut. What the heck?
It is.
Who thinks?
This name makes sense, but at the same time, it doesn't.
Sure. So it's spelled D-J-E-N-T-I and K-A-C-H-O. I want to say Gentika.
Pretty good. Gentika.
Oh, Gentika, so it's like this way.
Right, and it translates to dog teeth.
Oh, that makes sense.
Right. At least it's like 2 words that go together, you know, and you know what it is.
You're not teasing any sky on this one.
Exactly.
It looks really appetizing. It like looks like you get something and grab a handful and just keep eating.
Yeah, I did grow up eating Gentika, and it's actually one of my favorites too.
Oh, good.
Alvin, so you have ham here.
Yeah, you.
Uncured ham to be specific. And then you have some cream cheese.
The story behind it is that when I grew up as a kid, I realized it tasted really good with cream cheese because this is salty, this is sweet, this is creamy and neutral. So I would eat it together and be like, oh, this is good.
Cool, yeah, let's try this.
You wanna eat it? Swap?
Yeah. So let's swap.
Yeah.
And then
you just like spread some on it and you just like eat it as like a roll up, or you just like put it on it and you just straight up eat a whole slice. There you go. Yeah, just take both.
Both, okay.
Yeah. That's the way it goes. And you gotta, use your spoon. Get your spoon and.
Okay, so this is what the spoon is for.
Yeah, that sounds
okay.
Good ratio.
All right. I don't like it. I think I would like this actually if it's like, if I have some bread with it.
Yeah.
But I don't know how you can eat this with the ham and like straight up cream cheese.
So this is kind of how I would eat it. You know, you take a slice, you sort of like use it as like a spread. You just kind of do that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And then you just kind of roll it up.
Okay, let's see, let's try this.
Yeah, make a roll up. I'm pretty sure they serve fancy versions of this at like parties. I feel like this will be good after eating that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a piece. It smells good. I like this one.
You like it?
Yeah, it's like fatty, sweet, chewy-ish, like buttery and sugary, kind of all the things I like. Why does it remind me of pork ribs? Yeah, this is my favorite.
This is your favorite?
Cashew nut is second.
The second?
But this is really good. I think if you fed it to someone who didn't grow up eating what you ate or knowing what you knew, it's like more of a crowd pleaser, kind of safety kind of dish. So
okay,
I like it. Yeah, I would choose this over that. This is for dark times. So what would you say out of the ones I brought you today, 1 through 4?
So Andy's is my number 1 from everything you brought today. It's just like the mint chocolate, and it's not necessarily like any mint chocolate. As you said, it just keeps you wanting more. I just loved it so much. And number 2 would go to Dino nuggets on the bagel, everything bagel with the cream cheese. I like that one a lot too, because of the nostalgic factor, I think. And then number 3 would be your Kraft mac and cheese.
Okay.
So I remember my grandma would make me Kraft mac and cheese some days. So that definitely takes number 3. And then at number 4, sorry to break your heart, Alvin, but
No, I expected it. That's totally fine.
this is not my favorite, but I can see myself eating this if I have some bread with it. How about you?
This has got to be my favorite for sure.
Yeah?
Like I'm still eating it because it's really good. Number 2, I'm gonna say the cashew nut. It's more like neutral and it's easy to eat. You don't need to like saw it, break things off. Number 3 is the Panseiku, because that one is like kind of peanut brittle. And the 4th, just for the lack of use, you know, it's got to be the Jojo. It's just really hard to eat, although the flavor is really nice. So that's my range. Thank you for bringing me all these like cool, interesting snacks from Curacao that I would have never had the chance to eat.
Thank you for bringing me into your childhood, and in that way you brought me to my childhood too.
Yeah, I'm glad I could help you out. Just a little too much cream cheese this time. Sorry.
A little less cream cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, yes!